The Procurement Technical Assistance Center organizes different kinds of events, conferences, and webinars for small businesses to attend. It is a great opportunity for small businesses to know the buyers, to meet with federal, state, and local contracting officers, and form that relationship where eventually it will lead to a government sale.
Events like this are very important because it gives contractors the opportunity to network with other contractors, as well as valuable information from the Small Business Administration and the Small Business Administration's resource partners.
We found out it's a great way to not only meet other agencies and network between the different agencies, but also to meet the small businesses out there. And typically we usually find 2 to 3 new contractors that we work with from these events.
So the reason for these kinds of events goes back to Aloha Spirit. The Aloha Spirit is the idea that we are important to every other person for our collective existence. So the idea of knowing that our world works better when we have businesses and organizations that work well, that's what this kind of event does for us. So it helps us to connect with people, it helps to educate, it helps to satisfy the curiosity of what's the next thing around the corner. It helps us to be innovative, and it helps us to just really accelerate the growth of all of the organizations involved. This is so crucial. Thank you for what you do.
Not only do we get our name out there and what we're looking for, it also allows the small businesses to let us know that they're out there.
We continue to gain information throughout the procurement process, and we're able to then come back to the contractors to provide them the new information so that they are aware of what has come up and how they can improve their processes.
And if we can get that good relationship, we're getting the best quality work at a very, very fair and reasonable price, which ultimately saves the taxpayer money.
If you want to have a shortcut to success, PTAC is your solution. And how fantastic that we have a resource like this in our world, like PTAC, that cares enough to put all of this information, take these really smart people, and make them available at any time. That's why PTAC is the solution.